Travel on land, water, or air is a major contributor to air pollution. DENSO's vision is to reshape mobility and contribute to a better world through our two great causes, green and peace of mind. For a green society, our goal is to be carbon neutral by 2035. One way we'll achieve this is by advancing our mobility products and technologies. Our future takes flight with the development of technologies for electric-powered aircrafts. Our SoraMobi project, which means air mobility, is focused on developing an electric-powered motor for air travel. We have the power to revolutionize the future of air-based transportation, making air travel more accessible, affordable, and most importantly, carbon neutral. First, our goal is to support air taxis and delivery vehicles, providing cleaner, safer, more efficient, quieter, and freer moving transportation in and between cities. DENSO's electric motor is patented state-of-the-art technology. We applied our knowledge and expertise from developing vehicle-based electric motors to take our technology to the skies. Our electric motor for air mobility will be available in different sizes to accommodate different transportation needs in society. In the future, electric-powered aircrafts will be operated autonomously, allowing for clean, quick, and safe travel. By building on what we're doing today, DENSO is contributing to a better, greener world tomorrow.